Even though we have a very liberal treatment policy in Denmark, there's still a minor group of drug addicts that would benefit from an offer with the heroin prescription.
In Switzerland, you have seen there's been no surplus recruitment of drug abusers because of heroin treatment.
The users benefit of it in that way that they don't have to live in this area making a lot of criminality. They can go out there, they can have the drugs, and they can try to live a more normal life than they are living today. And of course, for the citizens and for the police, we hope that it will decrease the level of criminality in addition to drug users.
We have had the discussion about starting a heroin prescription program or having a heroin trial in Denmark for 15 years. It just seemed endless.
It's been a very tough debate, and sometimes the debate was just, going just out of the roof. At one point, some other parliamentarians in government or in one of the parties that supported government actually said that I as a social democrat was working together with the mafia and the criminals because I was speaking about prescription of heroin to drug users as a part of a treatment.
Last year, a conservative newspaper printed this story about Linda. Linda is 30 years old and she's been using heroin for more than a decade. She was selling sex so she could buy her heroin. Sometimes it got too hot for her and she got enrolled in methadone programs here, but that was not good enough for her. She needed heroin, but usually she starts using benzos. And she says that methadone plus benzos is a bit like heroin.